Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. All right, so we've been watching this downtrend right here, and we set up these Fibonacci retracement levels, and I was telling you I was watching the 38% level and the 50% level and the 61% level. So we hit the 38% level, that limit order got filled, and the 50% level got filled as well. So right now that 50% level is in a plus. But what I really wanted to show you guys, if we go to the total crypto market cap, I just wanted to make a quick video pretty much. But we actually, so we had this trend line going like this. We broke it to the downside, and it looks like it might have been a fake out. So what I was saying in my my total crypto analysis was that on the daily time frame, if we can close above here, that's not going to be good. And if we'll see if we get a red candle going more to the downside. But if we get a green candle going to the upside, it won't be as bearish. So pretty much what I'm saying is, it looks like we weren't able to hold down, and it looks like we're popping up. The other thing I was watching is if we go to like the 4-hour time frame on my Cardano video earlier, I was watching this channel or like something like that. We had resistance pretty much going down like that. It looks like we're breaking out of that little channel right now. The other thing is we're like above this trend line. We're back above this trend line right here pretty much. Let me know if you guys are seeing the same thing on your guys' charts. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the total crypto market cap. So in general, I would say let's watch our favorite coins and see what they can do right now, because we might be looking at the next leg up, the next run of the bull market. But I still think on Dogecoin anyways, we're still watching this downtrend like this. When we break this trend line going to the upside, I think that's gonna be like the confirmation that we're heading to the upside. But yeah, I mean, in general, that total crypto market cap looks pretty good. Let's see, that's my Robinhood, this one. So yeah, I would say let's watch this downtrend going to the downside. We got these limit orders filled. I'm not so sure if this one's gonna get filled anymore, but we're still in a downtrend. Once we break this one, we'll have confirmation, and then we'll see if we could break this previous top right here. Until then, I'd probably be looking at a few other coins. I mean, we could take a look at Dogecoin versus Bitcoin real quick. And we're watching on Dogecoin to Bitcoin, we're watching this downtrend right here. We have this trend line going right here. It looks like we're coming up and testing it right now. I think if we could break through this one, then that's going to be bullish for Dogecoin. And then I'm guessing the same thing is with Ethereum. Let's take a look at Dogecoin to Ethereum. Pretty much the same thing. This one's a little more, it fell off the trend a little bit more, and now it looks like we have to come back and test it. We have more room to come test it, should I say. On Bitcoin to Dogecoin, it seems like this one's already very close to that trend line, and we're getting closer to testing it. But on the Ethereum one, it looks like we have a little bit of room to go to test that trend line, at least the one that I'm looking at on my chart. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, so on Dogecoin, I'm assuming, so I put these limit orders right here. I'm just gonna I'm gonna hold them and see what happens. Let's see if we could break through this trend line right here. Let's see if we get rejected on this trend line. I'm not sure what Doge in particular is gonna do, if it's gonna hit the trend line and then come down and have to kind of retest this bottom trend line. But yeah, I think the main thing that I kind of wanted you guys to see is that if we go to the daily time frame on this total crypto market cap, or even the 4-hour time frame, that looks good too. We had this channel or this trend line right here. We got a break to the downside. What I really want to see on this total crypto market cap though is us break. So we broke this level right here. That's a good start. The next level we want to break is this one to get that continuation. Then we can get even more bullish, let's say something like that, or something somewhere around there. Pretty much we just want to break that previous resistance, and then we'll come back into the bigger time frame, and we can kind of look at these previous resistance, something like that, or maybe something even right here. This is sitting around 2.26, this one's sitting around 2.47, something like that. So we'll have to see what it does right now. Let's see if we can just run right through this previous resistance, or if we get rejected and start kind of having to retest this bottom trend line again. I'm not sure. If we go to the daily time frame, I said that in one of my last, I think it was my last video, that we had so many hours until we had to close above it, or close. But basically, we were watching the daily time for the daily candle. We have 3 hours to go. Let's see where this candle ends up in 3 hours. It looks pretty green right now. Let's see if it can stay above this, both of this trend line and this trend line. If we can stay in this little area right here, that looks pretty bullish in my opinion. But like I said, it's in general, I'm still kind of confused. We still have to break here for me to really get bullish. And yeah, let's see how far this thing can go up. But like I said, on Dogecoin, we had our limit orders. That's why I do my limit orders. That's why I use the Fibonacci retracement. It gave me these levels to dollar cost average back into, which chart am I looking for? Right here. Okay, so it gave me these levels to dollar cost back into after taking profits from right here. What do we got? So from right here to right here, that first one is like 8%. The next one is like 13%. A little bit of, I mean, 13%, 8%. That's pretty decent. All right. If you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything else I should look at, and let me know if there's any way I can improve these videos. Let me know what you guys like or don't like. All right. See you in the next one.